No, Gurudev, for so many years, he said, I take rest at 11, I lie in the bed, I don't sleep. I just lie there from 11 till about 12. I said, what do you do when you're lying there? He said, I'm just thinking of Leela, I'm meditating on Leela, Radha Krishna's Leela. And somewhere around 12 I fall asleep for 2 hours, and then 2 o'clock I wake up, do bhajan. And this is his sadhana. Because if you read in the Suchak Kirtan, which is kind of the story, the Bengali bhajan or kirtan called Suchak, which is the biography of the guru or the great saints. The biography is life in a beautiful song, Bengali poem. It's called Suchak Kirtan. So when you read there in the Suchak Kirtan of Das Goswami Pad, it says that, I forget how it says in Bengali, but it's Daiganta Sona. 2.5 hours, he rested every night, 2.5 hours. From, because Ras Leela ends about 1:30, and then Radha and Krishna go on Nikunj Leela. So Das Goswami has said in a whole day he would rest 2.5 hours. So Gurudev is like Goswamis. So the great saints, they all have amazing charitras.